Welcome to Atif Official. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of tech with the latest updates on Samsung's next-generation foldable phone, the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Leaked CAD renders have given us a sneak peek into what to expect, and there are some major design changes on the horizon. Stick around to find out all the details, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more future updates. One of the most noticeable changes in the leaked renders of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is its reduced thickness. When unfolded, the device is rumored to measure just 4.5 millimeters, making it 1.1 millimeters slimmer than its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Even when folded, it's expected to be around 9.5 millimeters thick, including the camera bump, or closer to 9 millimeters without it. Sleek and slim, this design upgrade is sure to turn heads. The second major change, a bigger display. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is tipped to feature an 8.2-inch inner display, up from the 8.12-inch screen on the Oppo Find N5. This would make it the largest inner display on a book-style foldable phone to date. The dimensions of the device are said to be around 158.4 by 143.5 by 4.5 millimeters, suggesting the front display will be roughly 11 millimeters wider than the Galaxy Z Fold 6 when unfolded. More screen real estate means more room for productivity and entertainment. Under the hood, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to pack the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite S chipset, the same one rumored to power the entire Galaxy S25 series. There's also speculation that Samsung might opt for a 7-core version of this chip, similar to what Oppo used in the Find N5, to improve thermal management and battery life. Speaking of battery, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is likely to retain the same 4,400 mAh capacity as its predecessors. However, thanks to the efficiency of the new chipset, we could still see better battery performance. Now let's talk cameras. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to feature a whopping 200-megapixel primary sensor, a significant upgrade from previous models. It's also expected to include a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 10-megapixel telephoto lens, and a 10-megapixel selfie camera on the outer display. As for the inner display, it's said to house a 4-megapixel under-display camera. Will Samsung improve the quality of the sensor? That remains to be seen. As for the launch, Samsung typically unveils its foldables in mid-July. However, with the Galaxy S25 series launching slightly later this year, there's a chance the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and its clamshell counterpart, the Z Flip 7, could follow suit. While the price. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap the key highlights of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Slimmer design. At just 4.5 millimeters thick when unfolded, it's set to be the slimmest foldable yet. Larger display. An 8.2-inch inner display could make it the largest in its category. Powerful performance. The Snapdragon 8 Elite S chipset promises top-tier performance and efficiency. Camera upgrades. A 200-megapixel primary sensor and improved camera setup could take mobile photography to the next level. While we wait for the official launch, the buzz around the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is undeniable. Will it set a new standard for foldable smartphones? Only time will tell. But one thing's certain. Samsung is pushing the boundaries of innovation once again. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy Z Fold 7? Are you excited about the design changes, or are you hoping for more upgrades? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for tuning in to Science and Knowledge. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting updates on the latest in science, technology, and innovation. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and stay blessed.